been like an hour. I don't know where he is. I just want to get this news started.
I'm coming. Listen, I was behind 4 tractors this morning on my way to school. When I thought I'd pass one up, there was another one right in front of me.
And you had senioritis yesterday, tractors today?
Horrible! I don't know what's gotten into me. I'm just like, is graduation ever gonna just arrive already? But good morning, everyone, finally, and welcome to Northview Academy News. I am your host, Patton Cockrum.
And I'm your host, Sofi Herber.
Today is Thursday, May the 4th, and I am so happy to be back. How about you, Sofi?
We missed everyone yesterday, but we're so proud of our co-hosts, Gavin and Hannah, for doing a wonderful job taking over.
We do have a few announcements today, so listen up.
To all the book lovers, the last day to check out a book is tomorrow, May 5th. All books are due back May 15th, so make sure you grab your final picks and get to reading.
Last call to any seniors who still need to purchase their cords or stoles. There are only 14 more days until graduation, so time's running out.
Speaking of graduation, Dr. Yoakum has sent out a Google form regarding graduation walkthroughs. If you have not filled that out yet, make sure to get that done.
If any senior is interested in going to the Gatlinburg Skylift Park on May 22nd, then go see Mrs. Helton in the guidance office.
This field trip is first come, first serve, so make sure you secure your spot by tomorrow.
We still need all the bottle caps we can get, so ask your mamas, grandmamas, aunts, uncles, sisters, cousins, boyfriends, dogs, goldfish. Goldfish's cousin twice removed. It really doesn't matter.
Yeah, bottle caps off of any plastic bottle or container will work. This includes laundry detergent, milk tops, water bottles, and more.
Remember to place any of your donations in the buckets around the schools and in all of the classrooms.
Thanks, Tay-Ray. Reminder, Medic will be here next Wednesday, May 10th. If you're a student or staff member interested in donating, please see Ms. Loveday in B121 to sign up.
Giving blood is a great way to save a life and support our community. If you are over the age of 16, then please consider donating.
And if you want to know your blood type for free, giving blood through Medic is a perfect way to do it. And you'll get a cool Medic card like me. Shout out to all my A-positive folk out there.
Excited to do this show, and we have been working so hard already. We got right into it when school started back, and you guys are gonna love this show. I'm so excited.
Watch Frozen.
Patton, can you help me?
Sure, Sofi, what is it?
Well, I want to register to vote, but I just can't seem to figure it out.
I think I know just the person who can help.
Really? Who?
Miss Helton in the guidance office. Just give her a visit and fill out the paper form or the online version.
Well, what if I'm not 18 right now, but I will be for the next upcoming election?
You can still fill out the paper form and you will be automatically registered on your birthday.
Wow, I didn't even know guidance counselors could even help with something like that.
You'd be surprised. Our Northview guidance counselors are the best and are really the biggest resources for students at the Academy.
If you're interested in registering to vote and are not sure where to start, just contact Ms. Helton or give her a visit in the guidance office.
Moving right on to sports, we have some great news today.
First, we want to congratulate the boys soccer team on their win and our baseball team on their victory over Clinton this past Tuesday. Way to go, Cougars.
The girls softball team also had a win on Tuesday, and we have some special players to acknowledge.
Congratulations to Bailey Stewart and Shelby Gibbons for being voted on the District AAA team.
And congratulations to Bailey Stewart for pitching her 200th strikeout.
We have so much talent here at Northview, and we're so proud of all of our athletes for working hard and bringing home those dubs.
Come out and see the first performance of Frozen tonight at 6:30 in the Forum.
We're so excited to see Arendelle come alive in Kodak. We're so proud of the amazing cast and can't wait to see all their hard work.
Well, I think that's all we have for this Thursday.
We can't wait to see you all back here again tomorrow.
Have a great day and go Cougars! we still need all the bottle caps we can get. So ask your mamas, grandmamas, aunts, uncles, sisters, cousins, boyfriend's dog, cousins, goldfish cousins twice removed. It really doesn't matter. Can we do that over again?
I'm a woman's man, no time to talk. He's a clown, a bacon woman, been kicked around since I was born, but it's alright, it's okay. You may look the other way, we can try to understand.